Hello everybody and welcome back to Sweet Cheat Sheets. Today we're making a breakfast classic. Fluffy, soft, golden pancakes, light as air and straight from the world of Asterix. So let's begin. First things first, the batter. We start out with 2 eggs, cracked straight into the bowl, and then whisked until light and smooth. Next goes in the flour, and we mix it all up. The milk goes in gradually, mixing as we go until everything's fully combined and lump-free. Then it's time for the finishing touches. Some icing sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and just a dash of vanilla extract. One final mix and then let it rest for 30 minutes. It helps the bubbles settle and makes the pancakes extra fluffy. Now let's get cooking. Start by spraying a layer of oil into the pan. Then check to see if the pan is hot enough. Once it's ready, in goes the batter, just a ladleful at a time. As bubbles rise and the edges begin to set, I flip it early while the surface is still pale. That way the first side doesn't overcook. Once the bottom's cooked through, firm under the spatula, I flip it back again to give the first side a final golden finish. From here, it's just more pancakes, cooked the same way, one after the other. While they sizzle, here's a little treat for fans of Asterix. Cooking with Asterix isn't just a cookbook, it's a piece of Gaulish memorabilia. The recipe we're using today comes straight from its pages. New World pancakes. From starters to desserts, each dish is inspired by their adventures and is beautifully illustrated. It's easy to follow, fun to cook with, and a perfect gift for any Asterix fan, including yourself. You'll find the link in the description box below. Happy cooking and may your feast be worthy of a Gaulish banquet. With the pancakes cooked and stacked, it's time for the final touch. For me, most of the time it's maple syrup, rich, sweet, and just right. But I also like to switch it up a little with some chocolate spread, or if I'm in a savory mood, some cheese. And if you're into a cheesy breakfast, you should check out my Pancakes recipe. Whatever your style, this is when the stack really comes alive. And here it is, golden on the outside and the inside, soft, tender, fluffy, everything you want in a pancake. A good stack really doesn't need much more than that. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one.